small pick to remove the cap.
Go under the edge here and gently pull upward. Once that pops off, you can go ahead and set that aside. Using a 15mm socket, let's go ahead and remove the wiper arm nut. And grab that wiper arm. You normally just wiggle that back and forth a little bit. Now you can use a pry tool if you'd like. Grab the wiper arm, gently wiggle that. Before you completely remove this from the vehicle, what's always a good suggestion is to go ahead and mark the windshield with a crayon of some sort where your wiper blades are. So when you reinstall the new arm, you can line up your wiper blades in that original position. Pull up on that wiper arm and remove the entire assembly. You want to take your wiper arm and the blade, you can flip it over. And on the back side here, there's a little tab. If you bend that tab down, you can go ahead and pull the wiper off of the arm, slide it off like that. Take the new wiper blade. You want to make sure that you have the arched piece of the clip facing upward. Insert that into the wiper blade, tug upward. And take your wiper arm and blade. You can fold the arm down. At this point, you want to go ahead and line up your wiper blade with the markings that you had on your windshield. Line up the tail section here with the wiper arm transmission, and go ahead and push this down and into place. Grab your nut, put that on. Go ahead and tighten that down. And we'll go ahead and torque down that wiper arm nut to 24 foot-pounds. Install the wiper arm cap by lining that up on top of the nut, pressing down evenly on both sides, and you feel that snap into place.